welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selena Zinchak. My channel is about DIY natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. And today I'm going to be showing you guys a very simple way to reduce your shedding if you are suffering from excessive shedding. A lot of you guys have been asking me, Selena, why don't your hair shed a lot? Why don't your daughter hair shed? So I'm going to be spilling my tea. I'm going to be showing you guys my secret on a simple DIY, and this work 100%. Immediately you will notice a difference. So if you want to know my tip, keep on watching. I know this is a difficult time for all of us right now. All the stress we are going through that can cause extra shedding. According to scientists, we are supposed to shed at least 100 strands of hair a day. If that's what you are shedding, that's normal. But if you are noticing a huge amount of shedding on your hair, then this is something I would recommend that you give a try and come back and thank me later. I know there are also a lot of products out there that you guys want to try just to experiment with other ingredients, and too much of everything that can also cause problem to your hair. And as for me, I use only my DIY ingredients. I know exactly what works for my hair and what do not work for my hair. So if you are trying so many different types of products, don't get me wrong, there are some really great brands out there with great ingredients which will benefit your hair, but on the other hand, there are so many other chemicals that are mixed with it. So just be careful. I know I am someone who I always use DIY products, and sometimes I just want to get out of my comfort zone and just want to go out there and start to explore other products. But I also get afraid because of the trauma that I went through at the early part of my hair journey. So I'm being very careful that I don't have to experience that anymore. So I stick to my DIYs, and that's what been working for me, and that's what is still working for me. But just in case if you are trying so many other products and you're not getting good results from it, I would recommend for you to also turn to DIYs and natural ingredients. There is nothing more important than natural ingredients. That's one thing that you need to know. So this is all natural, it's safe, 100% safe, and I hope this also work for you. Any ingredients for that matter, if you are new to it and before giving it a try, I will recommend that you make a research on it for yourself before using it. So what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video is tea rinses. The first time I started using tea rinses, I just thought it was not going to work, but when I used it my first time, I was so shocked, and since then I've never stopped using it. Now you can use either black tea, green tea, and you can also use coffee powder, because the caffeine in those mixture, it blocks DHT. DHT is a hormone which is responsible for all of our hair issues. So this is something that blocks DHT. It blocks the excessive amount of shedding, and this is something that you should make your research into it, learn more about ingredients before you give it a try. So if you guys have an issue with shedding and you want to be like me who don't shed a lot of hair, I promise you that this really does work. And so this is something which is very simple to do, and I will also be showing you guys how I apply it to my hair. You will either need a black tea, a green tea, coffee powder, and I just love to throw in peppermint because of the tingling sensation that it gave to my scalp, which will increase blood circulation to my scalp. Now you don't have to use all of these. You can use any one of them and you will be fine. Now I got my 1 cup of hot water. I decided to use the black tea this time around, so I'm just putting in my 1 bag of black tea, and then my 1 bag of peppermint tea. Just give this a good stir. And then cover it up for it to further infuse for anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes. You are supposed to apply this treatment on clean hair. So I am done with my pre-poo treatment. I use my aloe vera juice, my caffeine, and my S Secrets Growth Oil, and then our Tresemme conditioner just for me to pre-poo my hair. Now that I'm done pre-pooing my hair, our tea been steeping for the past couple of hours. It's now ready. So I'm going to transfer it into this spray bottle, and then I will go and shampoo my hair, rinse the pre-poo out, shampoo my hair with my aloe vera shampoo. This video is also on my channel. I will leave it down in the description box for you. So after I'm done with all of that, I will come back for us to apply the treatment to our hair. I'm done with my shampoo and pre-poo treatment. We got our DHT blocker in the spray bottle. You need to concentrate this treatment on your scalp as our shedding happens from the scalp. So just part your hair in smaller sections, making sure you are getting this treatment entirely on your scalp. And then after, take your time and massage it in, and then twist that section up and move to the next section. Take your time and repeat the same step on your entire head. After, cover it with a plastic bag and leave it on anywhere from 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Now just going to take this plastic bag down and go in with my deep condition. It's a matter of must that you go in with a deep condition after, because this is going to leave your hair strong and hard. So I'm just going to apply my deep condition, and then I will leave my deep condition on for an hour, and after I will rinse it out and style my hair. So this is what I'm going to do. I got a lot of different types of deep condition on my channel. I will leave my playlist down in the description box for you to check it out, or you can just use any deep condition that you have on hand, which is good for your hair. So within 2 to 3 weeks, you should notice a big difference in your hair shedding. But since this is caffeine is very drying to your hair and your skin. So this is something that you shouldn't use excessively. Maybe at the initial stage, you can use it once a week for a month, and then after that you can just use it once every 2 months, once every 3 months, or once you see that your shedding is coming back again, you can jump on it again and use it. Once you notice that you have already gotten a great result from it, I would recommend that you stop using it. So if you give this a try and it worked for you, can you please come back and leave a comment down in the comment section so a lot of people can also know that it worked for them, because I know a lot of you guys been asking me about hair shedding and why each time I do my hair on camera you guys do not see a lot of shedding from it. Okay, from that, I hope you loved this video. If you did, can you please give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.